welcome back to Sandwich Airsoft. Today we are looking at the Cybergun Thompson. This one's pretty cool. It's called the Chicago Typewriter. That being said, those of you who are obsessed with firearms will note that this is an M1A1 Thompson and not an A1 Thompson. So the charging handle's on the wrong side, but it's got the front foregrip. It came with a drum mag. You gotta give them some credit. Plus they make a World War II version, so all they did was just take the receiver and swap between the two. Can't blame them for it. Feature of this guy is some very funky fire selector switches. So you got these little levers for safe and fire, and then you've got another lever for full auto or semi-auto. Yes, that's how the real one functions. Yes, it's weird. The mag release is also just as funky. It's this fun lever. Basically, you slide the mag in and you lift up on this weird little bar and pull down. You might notice I'm handling this lefty. It's because it's the easiest way to maneuver this replica. If you fire it what most people call the correct way, it's really hard to show you these weird things, but like you have to maneuver that with your thumb, and that's just impossible. So most people, what they would do is that. But what about performance? This thing actually is surprisingly very good. It's about 1.2 joules. I'm using 0.3 gram BBs today, which puts it at about 280, 290 FPS. And it reached out from 75 feet quite easily. But don't go by my word. Here's the actual shooting test of this thing. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's really fun. It does have a neat little mock bolt. It does absolutely nothing, but it is quite fun to just cock it. Yeah, that's really it. Battery storage is in the back. I'm using a 7.4 volt LiPo, as always. It's got enough room for a 9.6 volt nickel metal hydride. And to put the battery in, you just slide the battery into the compartment. Take some finagling with these guys, and just rotate the stock back up. You do need to have this down when you push the stock in. When you push it up, it's going to lock it in place. Let's talk about price points. So this thing comes in at about $189 or $200. This is the metal receiver with plastic furniture. The metal receiver feels pretty nice too. I was kind of surprised to find out it was only $189. And honestly, that's pretty much it. If you're looking for a World War II replica, this thing's pretty great. It takes any kind of Thompson mag. You can put stick mags in it if you're looking for that true classic World War II look. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more gangster, you've got the drum mag. You know? And of course, you don't have to shoulder if you have the drum mag. You can also choose whether you want the Army style or the Chicago Typewriter style. They're both about the same cost, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly did. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be live on Twitch probably shortly after you see this video go out. So come join me on Twitch. I'm live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.